Howdy folks, George Shively with you here from South Shore Marine Electronics. You are looking at a side shift model 350 bow thruster. This is on a 2004 Tiara 36-foot Sovereign. So that's kind of what it looks like here. We did a bow and stern thruster installation and just wanted to show you how things turned out. So there's the bow, and stand by for a moment. Forgive the darkness there, but that's the stern thruster that is mounted directly against the transom, and it extends out about 12 inches, 15 inches, and then you have the bow thruster, or excuse me, stern thruster. This is the apparatus for the bow thruster. Now we definitely overbuilt this. You could probably do this with Group 31 batteries, but I've driven boats with Group 31 batteries in series for the bow thruster, and bad things have happened. So like the thrusters don't have enough juice. So anyway, we put 4Ds in here, and I think that's going to work out really well. And of course there's the related wiring for the system, all done to spec. So that's what the bow thruster wiring looks like. Stand by. We're at the companionway stairs here, and you can see that there are actually two battery chargers located in here. The old Charles charger is the one that came from the factory, and the new Victron Energy charger right there is the one that we put in for the bow thruster batteries. We wanted to have two separate chargers and two banks of batteries. We would rather have this overbuilt than underbuilt. And of course the chargers all have their own circuit breaker. You can see stern thruster charger, bow thruster charger, they have their own breakers, and everything here is quickly disconnectable. That's AC power to the charger, and if you look a little bit further down here, you can see that we made a break point here for the wiring, so that if these stairs need to come out, it's not a big deal. They'll come right out, and we're not impeding another person from doing service on the boat. That's very important. Stand by. Howdy folks, I wanted to show you what we did here in the trunk on the aft deck here, swim platform aft deck. We certainly overbuilt this, and I'll definitely take the hit on that one, but wanted to again make sure that we had plenty of capability here, so that when the thrusters are hit and maybe used more than they normally would be, that we've got plenty of power. So same kind of arrangement that we had in the V-berth, but of course this is in the trunk in the aft. So just kind of want to show you what we did here. Two separate chargers, two separate banks of batteries, just ensuring that when he hits the thrusters, he's got all the power he needs. So stand by. I want to show you real quick here too the side shift controller. Real nice actually. That is actually Bluetoothed to both the bow and the stern thruster. So nice job on doing that on side shift's part. Don't have a lot of wiring going down from the helm, makes it a bit easier. But again, this is here are the stairs where the battery charger is, and there's the V-berth up forward. This was a lot of work. This took about 2 weeks, and to do this right, this is a large job. So be prepared for that. So as always, South Shore Marine Electronics, if you want to get in touch with us, my name is George Shively, and telephone 216-407-6553. Our email address, southshoremarineelectronics@oh.rr.com, and our web address is southshoremarineelectronics.com. Thanks very much for watching.